friends, you are once again very welcome to Amazing Gadget and a world of awesome invention Crazy Gadget. And the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If the channel has not subscribed, then subscribe now and set the notifications. Then relax, sit down and we start and let's go first towards gadget. Number 1. Vifly R130. Guys, seeing these, you understand that this is a drone in actuals, but its texture is very different. So tell you that this drone is a racing drone. Drone racing is also a popular game in which it is used. This drone can be seen in high speed with high stability. To run it, you have to practice a lot. If you have learned to walk like this, then you can cross it even from a small place, that too at high speed. Number 2. Zerotech Dobby. Friends, this is a very small size drone like you can use from selfie to flying video or fun. It is only 199 grams and it is so compact that you can charge this drone from the power bank as well. And the most important thing about this drone is that it is so small in size that you can also carry it in the pocket. You can connect it by flying its app or by giving it voice command. You can also take it off. You can say that this is a new type of feature. If you do not want to do any of these, then simply toss it in the air so that it will automatically go to air, and it can also be used from indoor to outdoor. In this, you also get a lot of options for clicking selfies. Also, you can record good videos from any angle. If you are traveling, then this wonderful little gadget will be perfect for you. With being small, you can carry it in the pocket and you can also charge from the power bank if needed. Number 3. Razer Maneuver 7.1. Guys, this device is a wireless handset. Let me tell you that this is not a common handset, that this handset is designed for gaming base. And tell you, the problem of audio lag is not visible in these headphones because it is built by focusing in gaming. That is why this headphone is the best for gaming. Even the smallest sound heard in full detail. That is, you will be able to feel very good while playing, and once you charge it full, it will support you for a week. Along with these, you will also get a mic which you can also chat during gaming time. Overall, if you are a gamer and are thinking to buy one of the best headphones, then it will prove to be perfect for you. Number 4. Amazfit T-Rex Smartwatch. Guys, if you want a premium smartwatch, that too in budget, that is those who can easily afford, then meet this gadget. This smartwatch looks in round dial and sporty. You can also change its features by connecting it to your smartphone. First of all, you will get to see many different looks in it, which you can buy as per your choice, and once connected with the smartphone, you can also show incoming calls and other notifications like text messages in your phone. Its screen size along with its dial is quite large so that its visibility becomes better. You can wear it anywhere, whether you are mount climbing or underwater. This smartwatch will be not affected. Number 5. Smart Halo 2. Guys, what will we do if the bicycle is to be converted into a smart bicycle? So friends, we will use Smart Halo 2 gadget with this purpose. This small gadget that comes in circular shape, you have to install on the handle of your bicycle. After that, it will have to sync up with your mobile. This will notify you about the calls in your smartphone on your screen. So, you will not miss the call during riding and will also display the notification of your phone. It will also help you completely in navigation. Simply set the destination from your mobile phone and this gadget will take you along the path while guiding you to the destination. And its special thing is that if any man starts stealing your bicycle, then it will sound a loud alarm with the help of which you will know immediately. Overall, this gadget becomes the best gadget for a bicycle rider. Friends, the link of all these gadgets is given in the description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy from here. So please like the video as well as subscribe to the channel and set the notifications so that such fun gadgets can be seen by you first. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.